Night has passed. Everything is ready for breakfast to come. In the forest, spiderwebs proliferate in the very few open spaces available, exactly in the path of small animals. Exactly in the path of this little frog. At first, the Nephila seems confused by its prey's size and weight. The movements it detects tell the spider it's not a helpless insect. Better wait till its catch, whatever it is, gets tired. A few minutes later, the Nephila comes to collect its catch. There's no doubt the prey is tired. At first, it seems as if the frog has lost the battle. But the amphibian surprises its captor. Its skin is toxic. A shy bite unleashes an unforeseeable reaction. The spider moves away. If I can't eat the frog, then do I kill it? Do I kill it unnecessarily? Not even a spider will kill just for pleasure. The spider's choice is the natural one. If the prey isn't useful, set it free unharmed.